Hi there! In literature, the literary device that uses words that begin with the same consonant sound in a phrase or a sentence is known as alliteration. Alliteration is a figure of speech or a literary device that uses words that begin with the same consonant sound in a phrase or in a sentence. Let's enumerate a number of examples of alliteration. A sentence that contains a group of words beginning with the same consonant sounds. Let's check some of the examples. 1. She sells shells by the seashore. 2. Sally sells seashells. 3. Busy bees buzz brightly. 4. Lazy lions lounge languidly. 5. Sizzling summer sunshine. Last but not least, do you remember the popular nursery rhyme we used to recite in our day in nursery school? Okay, I'm here to remind you. Here we go. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. A peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, where is the peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked? So you could see that in this rhyme, almost all the words begin or start with the consonant sound P, P, as in the sound in the letter P, P. Therefore, we say it deploys the literary device known as alliteration. So to sum up, alliteration is a literary device that uses words that begin with the same consonant sound in a phrase or a sentence. If you know of any example of alliteration, or if you can form an example of alliteration, can you do that in the comments?